everyone and welcome to another Photoshop feature update tutorial. In this tutorial, I will share a hidden clever feature update. So grab your mouse, open Photoshop and let's get started. You might know this feature because the adjustment brush tool has been available in earlier Photoshop versions. When you select the adjustment brush tool and paint anywhere, it creates an adjustment layer with an inverted mask. For example, to make dark object brighter, we will choose the curve adjustment from the top menu. Create a point in the middle of the curve and take it up. Then paint on your subject. However, when you zoom in, it can look pretty fake. To solve this problem, Photoshop has added the object selection feature to the adjustment brush tool. For example, if we want to target a subject, click on this little icon. When you hover over the image, it will give you a preview of all the objects in your image. Now click on your subject to make a selection. It will automatically create an adjustment layer with the selection of your subject. You can also add or refine it with a brush and adjust your desired setting values later. I hope you love this tiny update. Thanks for watching.